Good morning, everybody. I am up here in the mountains. It is a gorgeous day. Look how pretty it is. I'll show some footage of the trees here in a second. But I got this chainsaw and I bought a new chain and a bar and like a self-sharpening device. My friend Jen needs some help at her place. She's got a big old pine that came down that she needs to cut up, and she wants to inoculate some of the logs with mushroom spores, like different varieties. And I've never done that before, but I would love to. So we're gonna do that on next week's episode, hopefully if the weather permits. We're gonna switch out the bar and chain on this chainsaw today. I've never done it before, so let's do it. So this is the bar and chain and sharpening kit I got. Came from Amazon. I saw a couple of reviews about it and it seemed pretty easy to do. I've sharpened a chainsaw with like a file before and it's kind of a pain in the dick. It comes with its own bar and chain to be able to use this part, so let's open her up and try it. All right, so I watched a couple of videos. I think you're supposed to disengage the chain brake. Make sure the power switch is off. This is for this particular machine. I would definitely reference your owner's manual and maybe watch a video on the internet. But like I said, I've never done this before, so here we go. Open this up. I probably need some gloves. And you just push it like this. We'll save that one. We got the new chain. I'm a little confused. This packaging was open when I got it, and now, see how there's loops in it? I don't really, unless I can maybe unlink it and then link it back. Is that normal? Hold on, let me get my instructions. Says, important, read the enclosed instruction manual, but there is no instruction manual. Okay. Like, I am thoroughly confused. Oh wait, I think I found them. So basically this little stone goes in here, I think, like that. And then you put your tip in here and then you press while you're running the saw and it sharpens the teeth. That's if I get the chain on there in the first place. I don't understand. Oh, I got it! Okay. So it says the teeth should be going towards the body of the saw, towards the back, so like this. This goes like this. Like that. I think I've got this on backwards. Okay, so I put the chain on backwards. I'm gonna switch it. So we're gonna take it off and flip her over. Let's see if I can show you guys this. This is the top of the bar here. Just these guys right here hook in here, and they drive it forward, so they need to be able to hook. So according to my research, which is this right here, those need to be pointed towards the front, the tip of the bar. Try this again. Okay. All right, so I got the chain on the right way, and I've got it on here, and now I think we just put the cover back on and tension her up, and then we can try the sharpener. We're getting there. So this guy has a little tensioner pin in here, right here, and it wasn't quite lining up with the tensioner hole on the saw itself. So I had to adjust it. Now your saw may look, and probably does look different. This is kind of like a cheap little saw, but it's gonna work for my purposes. So I just rotate this wheel and this guy moved down to be able to fit in that little hole. And then just get it to line up and then tighten her down. Okay, it's pretty tight on there. Jeez, that was an ordeal. Alright, so we're back to our little sharpening stone situation. I'm pretty sure you just clip this on the end of the bar and then push this up against something. Should sharpen it. I mean, it should be sharp. It's brand new, but we're going to try it anyway. Has instructions on which way goes to the top. You lock it down. Come on, you bastard. Okay guys, pretty frustrating actually getting this bar and chain switched out. The sharpener works pretty good. I will not demo the chainsaw today because I'm a little grouchy now, and I want to go out and adventure in the woods, so that's what we're gonna do. I will be back next week with the video of chopping up the tree where you can see the chainsaw in action, and we're gonna inoculate some logs with mushrooms, hopefully with the weather permitting. But yeah, thanks for watching. My name is Rachel. We do whatever I feel like doing during the week on this channel, so if you feel like subscribing, that'd be cool. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.